The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ocean County in southern New Jersey until 8:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:44 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located from New Jackson to 6 miles north of Port Republic, moving east at 55 miles an hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard: 100 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: weather station reported. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Homes and businesses will suffer significant structural damage. Widespread tree and power line damage will occur. These severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly rural areas of Ocean County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Take cover now. Widespread destructive winds gusts to 100 miles an hour will overspread the warned area, causing extreme damage and injury. Take cover now.